Question 215. What is an example of a government-sponsored enterprise, GSE? A. Commercial bank. B. Fannie Mae. C. Freddie Mac. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is D. Both B and C. Question 216. Which government program or legislative act created Fannie Mae? A. National Housing Act. B. Mortgage Purchase Act. C. New Deal. D. FDIC. Correct answer is C. New Deal. Question 217. Which act or agency created the Federal Housing Administration, FHA? A. National Housing Act. B. SEC. C. Federal Reserve. D. Glass-Steagall Act. Correct answer is a National Housing Act. Question 218. Which agency was created to reduce Fannie Mae's control of the national secondary market? A. FSLIC. B. Freddie Mac. C. Dodd-Frank Act. D. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Correct answer is B. Freddie Mac. Question 219. Which federal act was passed and enacted in 1990 to protect consumers or borrowers from abuse by loan services in the secondary market? A. National Housing Act. B. Affordable Home Protection Act. C. National Affordable Housing Act. D. FIREA. Correct answer is C. National Affordable Housing Act. Question 220. Which secondary market investor primarily purchases FHA, VA, and residential USDA loans? A. Fannie Mae. B. Freddie Mac. C. Sallie Mae. D. Ginnie Mae. Correct answer is D. Ginnie Mae. Question 221. Which secondary market agency went from a government agency to a completely privately held entity after raising money through the sale of stocks that were offered to private investors in 1989? A. Fannie Mae. B. Sallie Mae. C. Freddie Mac. D. Ginnie Mae. Correct answer is C. Freddie Mac. Question 222. Which legislative act would partially repeal the Glass-Steagall Act so that it would be legal for commercial banks to invest in complex, risky, and potentially profitable stock, insurance, and derivatives investments? A. Dodd-Frank Act. B. Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act. C. Financial Services Modernization Act of 1999. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is D. Both B and C. Question 223. Which legislative act was passed in 2008 to guarantee $300 billion in new 30-year fixed mortgage loans to refinance more costly adjustable subprime mortgage loans for borrowers in need of financial relief? A. Housing and Economic Recovery Act. B. Dodd-Frank Act. C. Wall Street Reform Protection Act. D. FHA Bailout Funding Act. Correct answer is a Housing and Economic Recovery Act. Question 224. Which agency placed both Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac under conservatorship, or supervisory power, after these secondary market investors began to show significant multi-billion-dollar losses? A. FDIC. B. SEC. C. Federal Housing Finance Agency. D. Office of Thrift and Supervision. Correct answer is C. Federal Housing Finance Agency. Question 225. Which 21st-century federal bailout program offered homeowners relief from current or impending foreclosure actions in exchange for the homeowner sharing equity or ownership interests in the property with the federal government? A. Hope for Homeowners. B. The American Dream Plan. C. Homeowners Loan Corporation. D. Equity Share Bailouts. Correct answer is A. Correct answer is a Hope for Homeowners. Hope for Homeowners. Question 226. Under the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009, what was the original approved dollar amount that was provided to stabilize the mortgage and housing markets? A. $57 billion. B. $325 billion. C. $787 billion. D. $2.5 trillion. Correct answer is C. $787 billion.